Guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to reset your Facebook feed. Most of the time your Facebook feed might just be a mess because you don't even like what you're seeing on your feed. You just keep on seeing things you don't like, and you just want to reset that and be in control of what you want to see and what you don't want to see. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first thing first, you have to open up your Facebook app and make sure you are using the main Facebook app, not the Facebook Lite, because if you use the Facebook Lite, you're not going to see some feature which you're supposed to use in order to reset your feed. So now I'm going to open up my Facebook app right here. Click on the three horizontal line right there, and you are going to click on settings and privacy. Then you click on settings. Once you click on settings, you scroll down, you can see content preference right here. You are going to click on content preference, and now you click on unfollow. Yeah, because you need to unfollow people, and they're the ones that do post all those things. So once you unfollow them, you aren't going to see them on your feed anymore. So you can just keep unfollowing, and now you are now in control of your feed, and you have just reset your Facebook feed. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.